Okay, so this is how to cock your crossbow. Here is the rope cocking device. They come standard at one length. You tie a knot. Actually, you make sure. What I do, anyways, for this is make sure that your handles are right up next to here when you're pulling the rope back. But here's one point that I haven't seen many people do. So you're going to put your foot inside the stirrup, and then there's a spot back here. If there's not, that's where your rope goes, through there. And then you want to make sure your hooks are upside down on the rope, like this. So we're going to pull this through like that. Hook these down here, like that, and make sure that the rope comes up through here, up here, yeah, through here, and then down here. Hook it under here, like this, and then my rope is pretty close to right there, and then you just pull it back, and it snaps right into place like that. That's it.